You searched how to buy shares of International Petroleum Corp, a company in the oil and gas sector. It trades on CBOE EU under the ticker IPCOR.ST, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy IPCOR.ST, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Open the platform search and type IPCOR.ST to locate International Petroleum Corp. Select the matching result to open the official listing for the stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to verify the listing. Check that the company name, sector, and IPCOR.ST ticker all match before proceeding. Click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order type, estimated fees, and details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the order fills, your position will appear in your portfolio with your holdings and current status. Find the eToro link in the description to follow the same example.